Okay, I'm going to show you today how to make something that we call a communication board. Many of the kids that we work with, some of them started with PICs, and there are some of the kids they're still using PICs. But something that we have found with our children using the picture exchange communication system is that sometimes, especially for the younger children and the kids who are still quite small, it becomes difficult for them to carry around a bulky file or book where they use what they use as their PECS file, and that is of course something that needs to be with them all the time to make sure that they have a way of communicating their needs and their wants. Now, something that we have started to use with many of our children, and for us it's similar to the PECS system, but we wanted to make sure that our children still has the ability to communicate whatever they want and need, but in a way that is less difficult for them. So we want to make it more accessible and also easier for them to communicate, to make sure that they actually want to use this. So what we have started is we look at our child's immediate environment. Where do they spend most of their time, and what is it that they actually need during those times, and what do they want to ask for? And this is something that we take into account, and if our child spends most of his or her time at home, we look at their environment. What are the toys that they would want to ask for, snacks, drinks, going to the toilet, asking for help, needing breaks, and all those things are taken into account when we set up these communication boards. Now, the communication boards that we use, we try to make different ones to make sure we cover all the needs and wants of our children. So I'm going to show you today how to make one communication board, and this is something that you can use as an example and then apply it to your family and to your child's specific needs. The one I'm going to show you today is the one that can be put up on a fridge. So this one is specifically for anything that the child would want to ask for out of the fridge. Okay, so this is a communication board that will go onto the fridge, and the child can look at it, choose what they want out of the fridge, and these are all things. So you're going to add everything that your child could possibly want to ask for that is kept in your fridge at home. Okay,